Hi guys, in this video we will see how to can't add a Microsoft account to existing local account on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you try to sign in Microsoft account and such type of error message appear, then here are the fixes. Go to settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. From the left side go to Windows Update and install latest Windows update. Click on check for updates, otherwise choose download and install all if any update available. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of your sign in issue on your Microsoft account. After that, check whether your Microsoft account sign in error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose run. In run command box, type services.msc and click on OK. It will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here from the available menu, go to Microsoft account services. You will find the option Microsoft account sign in assistant. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and services status. If you found it in stop mode, then start it. And a startup type set as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom of the page. After that, restart your system and check whether Microsoft account sign in error can't sign in your Microsoft account error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open run dialog box, right click on start button and choose run. Here type gpedit.msc. This command will open local group policy editor window in Windows Home Edition only. From the left side, go to user configuration section, computer configuration section and expand Windows settings. Under computer configuration, expand security settings. Expand it. Thereafter, expand local policies and select security option. Select it. Thereafter, go to right side and here you will find option accounts, block Microsoft accounts. Make sure that this option is disabled. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and you can see here all your accounts related information you will find. Accounts, block Microsoft account, and you can see under explain tab that is by default this setting is not defined. So open this again, apply a double click on it and click on a small arrow and make sure that this policy is disabled. Choose and finally click on apply and OK to disable this change option and save the changes. And try to sign in your Microsoft account with your info. Go to settings of your system. Here from the left side, go to accounts. From the right side, click on your info. Try to sign in your Microsoft account from here. Here scroll down and you will find the option sign in Microsoft account instead of local account. In my case, I have already signed in with Microsoft account. So you will find here option sign in with a Microsoft account instead. So click here and follow on screen instruction to sign in your Microsoft account.